Myself, Jhenkar D. I'm studying in second year, fourth semester computer science engineering. Here the level one code. Mm, First level is identifier recognition. The program checks whether the given word is valid identifier or not. First, it checks the letter. The first letter must be a letter. Then it checks the remaining characters. Remaining characters can contain letters and numbers only. If any special symbol is found, the identifier becomes invalid. For example, here the output, you can see that X is a variable. That's why it shows valid identifier. And sum is also a variable character. This is also a show a valid identifier. Like this type of output we have. Then we can go to the level 2, mini lexical analyzer. This program works as a mini lexical analyzer. It reads the mini ATC program character by character. The program separates words and symbols into tokens. Then it identifies whether the token is keyword, identifier, operator, number, delimiter. And here we can see also output. This will also output. Begin is a keyword. Int is also a keyword. X is identifier. Semicolon is delimiter. Like this type of output we have. Then next we can go to the level 3, Lexical Analyzer plus Parser. This program combines lexical analysis and parsing. First, the lecturer converts the source code into tokens. Then the parser checks whether the program follows correct syntax rules. The parser validates variable declaration, assignment statements, print statements, overall program structure. Here we can see the output. These are the outputs. Here it shows the message parsing successful, valid MiniATC program. Thank you.